No weight on the single currency. Bitcoin taking a bit of a hit on that executive order and disappointment within the investment community in the crypto space. 88,000 down 2% so far in the session. Brent on the oil space currently up 0.1%. Let's cross over right now to Singapore. Avril Hong standing by for a check on the Asian markets, and it's a bit of a mixed picture, Avril.
It's a mixed picture, but you can clearly see how investors finding it difficult to position, businesses finding it difficult to do business amid this lack of long-term clarity on US trade policy. So that's really what's sapping risk appetite in most of the region, including on the Japanese Nikkei, that is the outlier, the underperformer, I should say, and the losses there being exacerbated by the yen strength. And we're seeing dollar yen below 148, and this is against the backdrop of the largest trade union or labor union in the country, I should say, calling for the biggest rate hikes or wage hikes, I should say, since 1993. Now, to your point about it being a mixed bag, it's really about the Hang Seng outperformance, flip the board. Let's talk about what's driving this. It is, no surprises, led by tech. And if you're looking at the Hang Seng Tech following the crash last Friday, it was a bit shaky at the start of the week as we waited out for NPC details. And then we got that focus on tech and consumption. Alibaba unveiling its AI model. And today it's headed for a third day of gains. And mind you, if you're looking at the start of the year, the biggest Chinese tech names, the biggest 7 of them, they've added about $440 billion in market cap as the Mag 7s sink. And these gains you're seeing in the Hang Seng Tech for the week, a bit tepid now, comes in spite of trade data that shows you exports that, just rising less than expected in China, and really not a good sign amid the external environment. Tom.
Yeah, the 7 titans and the outperformance of Chinese tech versus their US counterparts. We'll see if that theme continues. Avril Hong with a check, of course, on the Asian markets this Friday, joining us out of Singapore. Thank you, Avril.